for familiarization with register. This is a lab class, so all thing will be in virtual lab. I think my screen is visible now. This is familiarization with register. This is a lab copy. You can find it in my description. I will give the link how to download this lab copy. Okay. So here theory, I will first discuss about theory. What is a resistor? Resistor is an electrical device that opposes the flow of current or electrons. That means whenever there is a flow of current or the electron is restricted or limited by resistance. Resistance is automatically an inherent property of a conductor or an insulator. Also, a resistor individually can be termed as a device. Okay. So in each and every conductor or an insulator, automatically there is a resistance. And if we are using a device just for uh, calculating or applying in a network, only the resistance purpose or to limit the current purpose, so it is called a resistor. Okay. So these devices are very small and cylindrical in shape. You can see this part is very small. They are very small, but their values may be thousand, some micro ohm to some kilo ohm. Okay. So there are basically two types of resistors. One is fixed resistor and another one is variable resistor. The fixed resistors are carbon film, metal film, wire wound resistors. The resistors I have shown in this picture is our fixed resistors because the resistance value cannot be changed. Okay. There are also some resistors whose resistance value can be changed, like semi-fixed resistor, complete uh, complete variable or potentiometer. Very good example for a resistor might be the old fan regulators. The regulators you have seen in your household, right? When we just point the regulator pointer at a particular digit, the speed of the fan reduces or increases, right? So that in reducing, we are increasing resistance or decreasing resistance, right? So when we are increasing our resistance value, then what is happening? The current flow of current is reducing because the resistance opposes the flow of current, right? So the flow of current will be less if the resistance value is high. So the fan will speed slowly, right? The fan will move slowly. And if we reduce the resistance value, then the fan will rotate faster, right? So this is the main example of variable resistor. So which can be changed by rotating the wiper. So now let us discuss about the color coding. Okay. So before going to this, I think we should directly go to our the website www.vlab.co.in, and by scrolling down you can find several departments or broad areas of virtual lab you can find here. From this we have to select the electronics and communication. Again in the electronics and communication, scroll down. So this is our, actually it is our electrical component. It is also a part of electronics component. So it is under the basic electronics lab. The total path you can show here in below section. I have already given the path, the total path, you can find it, right? So from here, the list of experiments. First experiment is our familiarization with register. So the first part is objectives of familiarization with register, right? So at the end of the experiment, we, the students, would be able to explain the function and the unit of registers, right? The functional unit and register. What is the function registers unit? Ohm, right? Ohm is our resistance unit. So measure the value of resistor that we are going to discuss about. Measure the tolerance of resistor. We will broadly discuss about what is a tolerance and then explain the types of resistor. So the types of resistor I've already explained to you. That is fixed resistor and variable resistor. So the value of fixed resistors are specified and cannot be changed, and variable resistor, it can be changed by rotating the wiper. Okay. So reading the fixed value. There are mainly two types of resistor which will have some bands marked on its body. Okay. So the bands maybe the band of 4-band code or 5-band code, means the body will have 4 bands or the body will have 5 bands. Okay. So also there is another register which will have 6 band codes marked on its body. If you find some register having 6 bands on its body, then the 6th band is for temperature coefficient, which is not included in this video or in this experiment. So it is a extra knowledge that I am giving to you. That is, 6th band is for temperature coefficient. Some registers may have temperature coefficient. So now the registers are color coded. Okay. So before going to how to read the values, we are directly going to the color coding. Okay. So this is the color coding. So it is starting with black. The digit means, as we know, the color, there are several bands, right? So individual bands denote something. So some band denotes digits, some band multiplier, and the last band denotes the tolerance. If it is 4-band or 5 band, the sixth band for a 6-band register, the 6th band will always be for temperature coefficient. So for 5-band and 4-band resistors, the tolerance value will be denoted by the last band. Okay. So now coming to how to read, right? So you will be given this type of registers. You can see in this figure 2.2. So what we have for 4-band registers, the first 2 band will be our digit, third band will be our multiplier, and last band is always tolerance. For 5-band register, the first 3 bands will be our digit bands and the fourth one will be our multiplier and the last band will be our tolerance. So now here we can see there are for this top resistance, the first digit is green, the first band is green, so the green denotes 5, uh, 5 value, and then the blue color denotes the 6th digit, so the first 2 digits will be 5 and 6, and then the yellow digit, the yellow means 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4 means 10k, so 560k ohm, and the last band, which is the silver band, is our plus minus 10%, right? So that's why its value is like 560k ohm with plus minus 10%. Let's again read the value of this resistor. This resistor value will be, first band is red, so it has 2. First digit is 2. Second band is orange, so the second band will be 3, so 23. Again, the third band is also a digit, right? For 5 band resistor, I have already said that the first 3 bands will denote the digits. So the third band will also the digit. So it is a violet, so 7. So the value will be 237, right? 237. And then it has a multiplier of the fourth band as black. So the black is into 1. That means the total digit values only. So 237 ohm with a tolerance of brown color means plus minus 1%. So let's see if we have, yes, we have already calculated the same thing. 237 ohm with a tolerance of plus minus 1%. Okay, so these are the steps. All the steps are denoted here. So now what is a tolerance? Tolerance means the value or the range of value in between which if you calculate or if we take a multimeter reading, then the resistance value is acceptable. Means whenever we are checking the value by their bands and we are measuring the resistance value with multimeter, there may be some value difference, right? That 237 ohm may come as 240 ohm, right? So if we uh, if we denote a tolerance value, means within that tolerance it is acceptable. Okay, the value is acceptable. That means 1% means only a change of 2 ohm or 2.4 ohm is acceptable in 237 ohm resistor, right? Here I am again going to, yes. In this, the 5 band resistor, you can see 237 ohm is there with a tolerance value of plus minus 1%. So if we measure the resistor with a multimeter, if our resistance value is coming as 240 ohm, then it is not correct. Why? Because it has a plus minus tolerance value of 1%, right? So 1% means 2.3 or 2.4. So adding this 237 with 2.4 means it will become 239.4 ohm, right? So that 239.4 ohm is up to that 239.4 ohm is acceptable. The same thing if we minus the 1% from this 237, it will become 234.6. So that 234.6 ohm, from that 234.6 ohm to the 239.4 ohm, it is acceptable. If the resistance value is coming beyond that, then the resistor is not functioning properly. Okay, so that's why the tolerance value is very, very important. Okay, so here the same thing is explained here. Okay. The tolerance of a resistor is also important property to consider. As I said, 100 ohm resistor with a 10% tolerance can mean its value can be any fixed value between 90 to 110, as I have already mentioned the same thing. So there are some overlapping between the same thing, as they have taken two examples like 100 and 120 ohm. So for 120 ohm resistor, the 10% tolerance gives a value of 108 and 132. This 108 and 110 have a overlapping. Okay, so here there may be some terms of limits, right? So in this overlapping, we may use that resistance registers, or we can skip that. Okay, so here is a mantra to remember this sequence. Okay, so this is called as B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. Okay, so this had is anonymous. This have no such place in this total table. The B denotes the black, the next B denotes the brown, and this Roy, ROY, denotes the red, orange, and yellow. G denotes the green, the first G, R. Okay, the first G denotes the green, and then B denotes the blue, V, the very V denotes the violet, and the second G, which is good, denotes the gray color. And the last one is white. White denotes the white color. Okay. And this is the table how to measure the resistance value total in total. Okay. Okay. Now there are some examples given, or some details given for carbon film resistors. Carbon film resistors are very cheap, and they are mainly in this green color. Okay, and the metal film resistors are mainly, you can find it in blue color. This resistor values, tolerance values are more, where this the resistance tolerance value for metal film resistors are much less. You can see here the tolerance of resistance value is usually plus minus 5%, and here they have only 0.05% tolerance, means they are very accurate. So the power rating are 1 by 8 watts, 1 by 4 watts, means they are very less, um, they are very less power resistors, and they are tend to be electrically noisy. That this is a this is a metal film resistor which have very good accuracy, and it is less noise catching. Wire wind resistor, the wire wind resistor is made of metal resistance wire, and because of they can manufacture to precise values, that means the wire wind resistors are like normal wires. So they, here you can ask the manufacturer to make the resistance value as per your choice. So the high wattage resistance can made by thick metal wires. Wire wound resistance is a ceramic case called ceramic, according to the case. Case means this part, okay? The above part where the markings are given. This is called the case. So if the case is made of ceramic, then it is called a ceramic part. Okay. So now, so the main parts of a lab copy is the title, aim of the experiment, objective of the experiment, theory of the experiment, then the observations, the procedure, okay, the procedure, and then the observation, then the calculation part, and the result, and the conclusion. Here, the calculation part is considered in the result, also in this observation table that I'll come later. Okay, now our title is familiarization with resistor. We are doing lab class for familiarization with resistor. The aim of the experiment is to understand and measure the value of resistor. We have already gone through the theory, and now we are going to measure the value of resistors, right? Objective of this experiment is explain the function of unit and units of register, measure the value of a register, measure the tolerance of a register, explain the type of registers. Okay. Theory and experiment. Here I have written all the theories here. I'm just scrolling slowly. If you want, just take a screenshot. These are the same thing, the same picture I have taken here from the VLab. To memorize the sequence. BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. Great BB Roy off. I have eliminated the off. Great Britain has a very good wife, right? So I have omitted that off and has a because they don't have any significance in this mnemonic. Okay. This is a tolerance thing that already I have explained to you. Same thing. Now the procedure part I've already explained to you in the lab. So in VLab. So the same thing is written here. You will find the PDF from my description. Okay. So now let's come to observation. So I have taken four values. Okay. Four register values from the observation. So here you can see this is a 4-band register. We can see clearly see the 4 bands. This is a golden band because in where I have taken from actually the VLab I have taken this registers. So this resistance from this from the VLab they have denoted the golden color as this symbol. Okay, so that's why it is looking like this. So this is our yellow, this is violet, this is orange, and this is golden color. So we can see the total number of bands are 4. Tolerance band color is gold, and hence the starting from the farthest band from the tolerance band we get the color as yellow, and then violet, then orange, and then gold. So as we have already studied for 4 band, the first 2 bands are for digits. So the yellow will be 4 and the violet is 7 from that table. Orange is 10 to the power 3 and gold is 5% tolerance. So how we are calculating from the mnemonic. The mnemonic starts from black, right? BB Roy, BBROY, Great Britain, very good wife. Okay, so starting from 0, which is our black, so BBROY. So the Y comes position, right? The digit will come as 4. The violet BBROY, Great Britain, very. So the very comes at 7. So the value the digit. So BBRO. So the orange is coming at our third position, right? So it has a power of 3. Okay. So 10 to the power 3. So the value will be 47 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. And gold has a tolerance value of 5%. Okay. So here in result, you can see yellow, violet, orange, and gold. So 47 into 10 to the power 3 ohm and a tolerance value of 5% plus minus 5%, right? So the second observation, which has starting from the first band, that is green, then red, then it is a gold color, right? The gold and the silver. So the green color, how it is coming? I have already taught you that The green color comes first, then the gray color, right? So the Great Britain, the great will be our green. So starting from 0, P-B-R-O-Y, great. It is coming at 5, fifth third, right? Fifth position. So the digit will be 5. Red comes at second position, that is B-B-R, that Roy's R is our red. So it is coming at second position. So the digit will be 52. And gold has a power value of -1, which comes just after the white or the white color. So after the white color, there are only two multipliers, gold and silver. Gold comes first. So gold has a power of -1 and silver comes just after that. So it has a power of -2 only. Okay. So that's why it is -1. Gold is -1 and silver have a tolerance value of 10%. So starting from gold, the tolerance value changes like gold has a tolerance value of 5%, silver has a tolerance value of 10%, and no color. If there is no color, just in our just in our third observation, we can see there is no color, right? So that no color has a tolerance value of 20%. Okay, so we also can memorize that. So gold has a tolerance value of 5%, silver has a tolerance value of 10%, and no color, if no color is visible, so that color has a tolerance value of 20%. So there may be a question in your mind that if we have this register with 4 values, uh, how can we understand this is not a 5 band register, right? Yeah, I know this question will come in your mind. So the explanation is, if we find any resistance value or a band which is a little bit distance from the end, that band is considered as our tolerance band. As I said earlier, the tolerance band is a little bit distance from the other bands, right? So that band is considered as our tolerance band. Okay. So if we find any resistance value which the bands have even an equal distance and no other band which is in further distance is found, so that is considered as no color. But if there is a band which is in distance with the other bands, then last band will be that color only. If no such band is found in the register, then it is considered as no color. Okay. So the color for the second band comes at 52 10 to the power 1 -1 ohm with 10% tolerance. Now for the fourth band. Fourth band, the total number of bands is 4. Tolerance band has no color. So the first band is a white color, right? So white, violet, black, and no color. So white comes in our white portion, right? The last portion, and last portion is our ninth position. So it is 9. The violet is our very. So let's again memorize it. DBROY of Great Britain has a, which we don't include in our calculation. So the seventh will be very, the seventh position is very good white, right? So that very is in our seventh position. So 97. And black has a value of 10 to the power 0. So it is a 1. So the value will be 97 only. 97 ohm. And no color, as I said, no color has a tolerance value of 20%. So its tolerance value is 20%. So the same thing I have written here. White, violet, black, and no color. 97 into 10 to the power 0 ohm and 220% tolerance. Okay. So the last register has 5 bands. So here you can see 5 bands are there. For some technical or you can say some tutorial problem, so the last band is not denoted to a distance from the other bands, but this is the last band. Okay? First band is are orange. The first two bands are orange. Third band is black, then brown, then purple. So for 5 band resistor, the first three are the digits, fourth one is our multiplier, the last one is our tolerance. So orange at third position, orange at third position, and black at zeroth position. So 330 is our value, and then brown has 10 to the power 1 equals to 10. That means 3300 means 3300. 3300 is our value, and with a tolerance value of 0.1%. The violet color has a tolerance value of 0.1%. So 330 is to the power 1 ohm with 0.1 tolerance value. Now this is a conclusion. So from the above experiments, we readily calculate the resistance value of resistor by looking at its color band. We have already done it in our observation table, and also if you have a resistor at your hand, you can readily mention or measure the value. Then we have to keep the tolerance band at our right hand side, and the first digit will be farthest left color band, right? The same thing I have told you, the tolerance band is our last band in our right, and it will be taken in our right hand, and the first digit will be in our farthest left color band, means the farthest color from the tolerance band. Okay, so we also come to know about the tolerance, right? If you like it, then hit the like button. If you dislike, you can dislike it, no issues. And also, if you have any queries, you can write it in the comment section. Or if you want any further discussions or something, I will. You can contact me. You can find the mail ID there. You can mail me there. So if you have any queries, I can take your queries and I can clarify that. Okay. So now take care. Bye bye.